Trying to launch your online store but unsure how to accept credit card payments safely? One wrong step can freeze your funds or cause deadlines, even before you make a single sale. Here's a simple way to plan your e-commerce payment setup. Open Google Sheets and create a checklist of the key steps, from selecting a payment gateway, linking your bank account, to testing a small transaction. It helps you see what needs to be done, but manually handling each step takes time and still leaves room for mistakes. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They guide you through the full setup with underwriting, integrate directly with your shopping cart, and make sure you can process payments safely from day one. Plus, EasyPay Direct's FAQ and how e-commerce credit card processing works walks you through the steps behind each transaction, so you're never guessing about security or transaction flow. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their setup guidance and clear processing info can get your store live with confidence. Don't leave your payments to chance. With EasyPay Direct, you get a reliable merchant account, full support, and clear insight into your transactions. Click the link in the description to get started today.